Fellow gamers around the world, my name is Kenai and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really small video because on one of my video Kareem asked me what is the software that I'm using, and then he wanted to know what are the optimal settings that I use on that software. So mainly I'm using MS Afterburner to record my gameplay because it is much easier to use, and I have open broadcast software as well with me. You can see it. That's the one that I'm using right now to record this video. So the open broadcast, actually it's much better than MSI in terms of the quality, video quality. It's much smoother, and even you don't get much performance loss in the way when you're gaming. But it has major problems like black screens, which I can't seem to fix. Anyway, so this is MSI Afterburner, which is free to download, and what I'm using on the video capture, you can see it's basically the video format is MPEG. It's mostly the default settings, and output AVI file, 100% quality, which actually takes a huge amount of space. For like 45 minutes video, it takes about 50 gigabytes like that. And the frame rate limit is disabled, but sometimes I do enable the frame rate limit for a much smoother gameplay. And enable camera correction is ticked. Other than that, there's nothing special about when you're recording, but you can go to the on-screen display tab and notice this one, show on-screen display on captured screenshots and videos. I usually turn this on when I'm doing a notebook gaming video, because I need to show the frame rates. But when I do a gameplay video, I disable it, so you will not see the file size and the frame rates that you're getting on the video. Yeah, that's basically it. So when you compare MSI Afterburner to open broadcast software, I tell you that if you can figure out a way to get rid of the black screen, I think OBS is the best software that you can use, because it doesn't take a lot of performance when you're actually recording the game. So low frame rate drops. The file sizes on OBS is much smaller than MSI Afterburner, but it gives you the same quality, because you remember in while I was recording Soma, I used OBS to record everything, but for some reason some games does not work with OBS, so that's a big problem. And that's why I switched to MSI Afterburner, because it's much easier to use, but then there is a downside for that as well, because bigger file size, and yeah, that's it, bigger file size when you compare it to the open broadcast software. Anyway, those are the settings that I use. It's usually basic, because as I remember, I only changed the shortcut key and the quality, and I changed the resolution to 720p. Yeah, that's basically yes, the gamma correction as well. That's it. I didn't change much. If you're recording a mic, you have the option to select from here. I'm not using that when I'm recording a game, because I'm separately recording my voice through Audacity. Anyway guys, I hope that helped help you as well, Karim. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Till then, peace.